Okay guys, now let's get started. If you've not subscribed guys, please, I want you to actually subscribe, like and share. Now also watch this video to the end, by the way, so it will help you on my analysis that I want to do. Let's start on our euro USD, starting with our daily time frame. By the way, we can also see that I have highlighted this as a key level here. If we are actually following this channel, you will be able to see where we actually highlighted this here as a key level, which was actually a support and a resistance level. That is, if you have to sit on our 4-hour time frame, you can see that our price was actually bouncing to this level and dropping, then it will come to this level, bounce and drop again. So we kind of trade within this range, which was a support and a resistance level, by the way. And guess what? Our price broke below it. So that is, our price has now broken below that level. So now let's sit on our daily time frame. Now that our price has now broken below it and it has now dropped, we very much likely to see it tap this our lows here, which I've highlighted, which is a key level. When our price was actually dropping, we saw this level here and it bounced up, and now our price has come to touch this our level. So what are we expecting again on our euro USD is a bounce up. So I'm going to give you different reasons why I said it will be a bounce up. Now let's take a look at it. Right now that our price has now breaking below this our ranging level where we were ranging before, and our price has now broken below it, we now see that our price has come to test our level, which will come to test our level at about, let's say, 1.000. That is exactly what we want to see our price come to test. Then we'll see a bounce up again. That is reason number one. So our price will reverse on our euro USD. So we would be expecting a bounce up on our euro USD. That is it, one. And secondly, the reason why I said that we'll be having a bounce up again is that we saw that our price, this was a lower lows, this was a pullback level here, this was a lower lows here. What are we expecting if we are actually on a lower lows? If we are actually trending downward, is that we will be expecting a pullback again, which is another lower highs, right? So this is the reason why I said once our price come here to bounce, touch this our level here, then we will be seeing a bounce up again. That is reason number two why we will be seeing a bounce up again, bullish move this week on our euro USD. So watch out for it. A bullish move will very much likely be getting on our euro USD. And another reason is that we can see that, and reason number three is that we can see that our price actually broke below this level, which was once our support level here, right? We would want to see our price come to test this our level. Once our price has broken below it, our price is expected to test this level where it has broken below. So that is another reason number three why we'll be seeing a bullish move this week on our euro USD.